Westfield, NJ. The nor'easter is upon us Tuesday morning and reports of flooding are beginning to crop up. Westfield police took to social media on Tuesday morning to warn drivers about flooding on the roadways. Police stressed that drivers should never try and pass through standing waters, as many end up stuck and flooded. A flash flood warning remains in effect until 9:30 a.m. and a flash flood watch until 8 p.m. on Tuesday, according to the National Weather Service. Find out what's happening in Westfield with free, real-time updates from Patch. The rules of replying: be respectful. This is a space for friendly local discussions. No racist, discriminatory, vulgar or threatening language will be tolerated. Be transparent. Use your real name, and back up your claims. Keep it local and relevant. Make sure your replies stay on topic. Review the Patch community guidelines.